Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this Tuesday, rather. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your local forecast. I know it'll be a short week for most folks, and most folks will be traveling at least somewhere for Thanksgiving Day. Family and friends probably heading your way. And if you're traveling northeast, we could have some big issues. We'll talk about that in a second. But pretty chilly through the end of the week in the eastern two-thirds of the nation, and some Rockies snow showing up as well. But here are those latest winter weather concerns, basically from the Mid-Atlantic region and the Appalachians there all the way to the northern New England states. Some winter weather headlines. We're going to be talking 6 to 10 plus inches of snow Wednesday into Thursday, maybe even lingering into Thursday night or early Friday to the far north. And then as we head off to the west, we are noticing some snowfall here, at least potentially through Wednesday evening, 8 to 16 inches in the highest elevations. And then as you head into North Dakota, South Dakota on Wednesday, basically late tonight, early tomorrow, maybe 2 to 4 inches with a clipper system that'll be diving southeast right through the Midwest. And you can see the snow really piling up here in the higher elevations. Here's that clipper system rolling down to the southeast, maybe even nosing into the Ohio Valley, and then there's that big pile of snow potentially just inland away from some of the major hubs, though I think some of the bigger hubs could deal with some travel concerns. And then there is that area of low pressure, some very heavy rain down in Florida, at least early on, and then as that moisture spreads to the north, it will be mixing in with some of the colder air from the north as well. So that's where we have such a big issue potentially in the travel department. Pretty quiet in the southwest as this ridge kind of noses into that area, but this trough of low pressure continues to dump a lot of that colder air in the central U.S., and we do have that colder air in place through at least the end of the week. Now, by this weekend, we get a little bump in the overall warmth down to our south, but temperatures today still a good 15 degrees colder than average.